Want to manage all your social media channels directly from HubSpot in 2025? Imagine creating, scheduling, and tracking posts for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X, formerly Twitter, all in one place without jumping between tabs. In this quick guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to connect your social media accounts to HubSpot and unlock its full marketing power. First, log into your HubSpot account. From the main dashboard, navigate to the top navigation bar and click on Marketing. Then choose Social from the dropdown. This is where all your social tools live. Next, click the Connect Account button. HubSpot supports popular platforms like Facebook pages, Instagram business accounts, LinkedIn company pages, and X Twitter profiles. Select the platform you want to connect first. Let's say you're starting with Facebook. A new window will pop up asking for your Facebook login credentials. Sign in with the account that manages your Facebook page, not just your personal profile. Approve HubSpot's requested permissions so it can manage posts, access analytics, and schedule content. For Instagram, make sure it's set up as a business account and linked to your Facebook page. HubSpot cannot connect to personal Instagram profiles, so double-check this before proceeding. When connecting LinkedIn, you'll follow a similar process. Log in, grant access, and select your company page. For X, Twitter, you just sign in and authorize HubSpot. Once you've added your accounts, HubSpot will pull in all the available pages and profiles linked to those logins. Select the ones you want HubSpot to manage, then hit Connect. From here, you can start creating posts, schedule them in advance, and monitor engagement, all from one dashboard. HubSpot also provides powerful analytics so you can track which posts are driving traffic, leads, and engagement without leaving the platform. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've connected your social media accounts to HubSpot, making your marketing workflow far more efficient. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step HubSpot tutorials. Which platform are you connecting first? Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or X? Drop your answer in the comments below.